Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video once again for Microsoft Edge, learning to use Edge, customizing it. Today we'll show you how to customize the main Bing page that shows up when you actually use Microsoft Edge. So by default, when you use Edge, there's a background picture that comes from Bing, and this is what, for most people, it looks like in general. If you've used Edge, you'll see some of the icons of links of websites that you go to regularly show up on the main page. But you can actually customize this. So for example, my stable version, you might notice the background picture is my cat. And this is my picture. This is a picture that I've taken that I actually put here. And you can do that if you want. You can also customize the look of that page with all sorts of different things. First of all, the customization of the main page is done with the gear icon on the upper right of the picture. When you click here, you have the page layout. One is called Focus. Focus will give you a Bing search bar, a little bit like Google does. It is Bing, so just note that. The Inspirational is also with a Bing search box, but it has a background picture that changes from day to day and is taken from the Bing pictures that they have. Then you have Informational, which will show part of the picture, but will give you more details of news feed, weather, what's happening around the world. All is in here. Then finally, you got Custom. Now, you notice my picture takes the full screen because I kept Inspirational as my setup. But I have simply done one thing very different, is that I customized it with one of my pictures. By default, it's the image of the day. And every day I'll have a new picture. And if you like that, it's fine. In my case, it's my own image that I've used. When you click your own image, you can actually browse your PC and go and get a picture of whatever you want to actually put in the background, and it will show up in the background as your main picture. There's also custom theme that you can actually choose, which will let you change the outlook, the feel, and you can manage custom themes through the Microsoft Store that will actually be downloaded through the Edge browser. And some of these themes can actually come from also the Google Play Store with some of the extensions. Once you've chosen that and you have the look and feel that you want, the other thing that you could do is, of course, choose if you want to have icons on your screen or not. So when you have actually your custom feed, it says show quick links. If you actually remove this, there are no more links to your favorite web pages. Maybe that's what you want. If that's what you want, you can remove that. You can remove the greetings. So if you're logged in, for example, it might say your name. You could remove that and customize that side of the browser itself. And then, of course, you've got the advanced features, which is language and content. So if the content on your screen, for example, is not in the language that you would prefer, you can actually click here and choose a different language and country. And of course, that will customize all the information that you have in the, my feed, the stories, and the different information of different countries and stuff that you want. And finally, you have something called New Tab Tips. New Tab Tips is recommendations that, depending on your experience and what you do, will pop up little bubbles and tell you, you can do this, you can do that. Remember, you can try this or that. If you don't want to have these recommendations, you can turn this off and it will not pop up on your screen. So this is for the basic configuration of the main page. Of course, there's other things you can do here, and we'll show you in the next video how to change all of that and have your favorite page or change the search engine and so on. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.